everybody and welcome to this year's vlogmas. So I'll be sharing with you different recipes that you can try out this festive season that are absolutely delicious and that you're going to enjoy. So don't forget to like the video and also subscribe if you haven't, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on amazing recipes. And the recipe for today is some chicken Caesar salad wrapped up with naan bread. So we're going to start off by prepping our spices, and here I have some smoked paprika, barbecue spice, suya pepper, onions, granules, garlic granules, black pepper, salt and oil. And feel free to use the spices that you prefer. So for the chicken, I'll be using some deboned chicken thighs, but you can also use chicken breast, and I will add in the spices that we prepared earlier and give this a good mix. So this is what you want your chicken to look like, well seasoned. You're going to go ahead to set that aside and prepare the veggies. So we're going to chop up some properly washed lettuce, cucumbers and tomatoes. So once we're done chopping the veggies, we're going to assemble them in a bowl and set this aside while we prepare the sauce for the wrap. So for the sauce, you're going to need some mayonnaise. I used the peri-peri mayonnaise, but you can use any mayonnaise of your choice. Greek yogurt, a little bit of mustard, some hot sauce, and then we're going to season with garlic granules, salt and black pepper. Mix it together and set it aside. And you see this sauce is the real deal. It's a total game changer. You can use this for your salad, and I promise you, you won't go back to store-bought salad cream. So to cook the chicken, you're going to heat up some oil in a skillet and then fry up the chicken, or you can also do this in your air fryer or your oven. So you're going to fry the chicken on both sides until it cooks through. So once the chicken cooks, we're going to allow this to cool down a little bit before chopping it into smaller bits. So to the salad, you're going to add in the cream that we made earlier and add in as much as you want, as much as you prefer. Then go ahead to mix this together until the veggies are well coated with the sauce. And finally, we are going to go ahead to assemble this. So you want to warm up the naan bread, and I have the recipe for this naan bread coming up, so you want to watch out for that. So add in the vegetables, the chicken, and then some more of that sauce, then close this up. And your chicken Caesar salad wrap is ready. You can go ahead now to enjoy this with any drink of your choice. So this recipe makes about 3 of this wrap. And don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't already. If you enjoyed watching this video, I'll keep coming back for more because we have more amazing recipes to show you.